Another beautiful day, everybody.
Be quiet.
It's Sunday.
I said be quiet.
Have some respect.
Be quiet.
Jeez, punch me in the head, you got punk ass weasel.
You look at a gas weasel.
What?
You got past my weasel.
Weasel.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, let's get the day going.
Are we going over the bridge?
Yeah, going over the bridge.
What's the bridge?
Beautiful day for a bike ride. Hitting this trail up. Hold on, guys, there's a bump. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Daddy, I thought we were going to go that takes us to Grandma Lenny's. Look it. That takes you to Grandma Lenny's.
It does take us Grandma Lenny's. We're going to Bia's. Taking the kids to my mom's, and I am going to the gym.
Oh, you look crazy.
Already worn out though. This pretty much is the gym right here on this beast. Beautiful day. Or what? Avery.
Maybe in 3 years.
Going to Weasel.
Don't touch.
Miserable or what?
Kids are here.
Miserable?
No.
Let's put you on the spot. Spooner, baby.
My eyes are watering. I even took my last Claritin. Getting tall. Yeah.
Hey,
What
Daddy.
are you doing?
Daddy, I think everyone get in.
No, she'll get hurt. She's just a baby. She's
Hey,
just a
look.
baby. Four-wheeler?
Yeah.
Look at this. Ah. Got you. Got you. Ah, get back, Jack. Heading to the gym. Way too damn lazy to ride that bike all the way back to the gym. Mommy let me take her car. I had to get me one of these. Nice and quiet. Kind of getting sick of my loud ass Subaru. Just pissing everybody off. Waking up the neighbors. Let's go hit some chest and tries. Gotta make some gains. Looking like a weasel lately. Just heading back to get the kids. Had a good workout. Got some chest and triceps in. It's kind of nice going in alone once in a while. Just straight focus, concentrate, work on these gains. Look at these goddamn gains. What do you know about them goddamn gains? Here's Tanner. What do you know about these goddamn gains? Back on the road. I'm gonna be beat by the time I get home. Gotta push myself a little bit though, or I'll never look good. What? Alright, we'll relax for a little bit. Right on the monkey bar, thinks he can go across. Whoa! You're gonna break your legs. Fail.
I'm good.
You didn't go all the way across.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah, I was
You're too little.
This is here.
Alright, hold on to it. See if you can do it. You're too short. Ready, go. Oh, fail. Oh, you're too little. Go play with Rat.
Oh,
Hello, Weasel.
hello, Weasel.
Stop to take a little break. Kids play at the park. Hitting up the trail. Oh, man. Pretty worn out. Beautiful day though. Gonna take advantage of it. Sun shining on a king.
What's this?
You guys are animals. What'd you say? Stay right there, kids.
Get in the back. No. Okay, I'll hop in the back. Rocky, get in the back.
Beautiful day out here.
Rocky. Rocky.
Man.
Rocky. I gotta practice.
I'm freaking worn out. About to pass out here, laying on the truck bed. Whew. What are you guys doing? Ready, set, go. Go. Mark, set, go. Come on, weasels. Go.
No, Rocky says it differently. Rocky.
Whatever.
Okay, Rocky,
Ready, steady, go.
steady.
Yeah, I'm beat. Sweating like a freaking pig. Let's get my garage all cleaned up. Brock's playing in the water mess. Get out of there, boy. There's probably spiders in there.
Oh, not.
Yeah, I bet you there is.
Oh, not.
You know, cleaned up, threw a bunch of crap away. Everything was covered in spiders. Getting these beasts out.
Daddy,
What?
this is gonna be cool. I'm gonna ride my dirt bike, run right into this. I'm gonna run right into this part.
Yeah.
Then I'll go up like this. Then I'll do a huge ramp.
You are crazy. You're gonna wipe out and break your neck.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I bet you will.
Daddy, you're.
Feels pretty good to get some shit done today, that's for sure. Feel accomplished. Now I just gotta clean out that back porch maybe next weekend. We'll see. Listening to a good night. Just got on reading Rat the Secret. Used to read this to him. And it's kind of over his head a little bit, but he gets into it, I guess. It's kind of funny. We haven't read it in probably like 4 or 5 months. First thing it talks about is having the perfect body. You just gotta think about it and it will come. It's gotta kind of believe in the stuff, I guess. I actually think it's gonna be true, but it's a little different. But he likes it, so we're gonna try to read some 5-10 pages a night. I hate reading. I've never really been a reader. Kind of slow at it too, but just gotta work at it. I think the only thing I ever read in my entire life was a couple Goosebumps books and some book in like 7th grade. So, yeah. But yeah, it's a beautiful night, beautiful day. Just licking me clean. God, Bella. But yeah, see you guys later.